Assalamu alaikum students, grade 4. Our third chapter is input and output devices. In this chapter we discuss about different input devices and output devices and their uses in different fields. After reading this chapter, students will be able to discuss different points related to this chapter, like identify and list the input devices, identify and list the processing devices, identify and list the output devices, identify and list the storage devices. The input devices are the devices which we use to enter data into the computer, and the processing devices are the devices which we use to process data in our computer system. And the third one is output devices, and the output devices are the devices which we use to display information on computer screen. And last one is storage devices, are the devices which we use to store data into the computer system. Now we are going to start our first lecture. Our computer work on some basic rules like input, process and output. First we enter data, and after processing we get output on our computer. And the devices which we use to enter data in computer are known as input devices, and the devices which process data are known as processing devices, and the devices which show the result on computer screen are known as output devices. Our computer system work some basic rules: input, process and output. Now we are going to start input devices. Input is anything given to the computer, and the input is given by some input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, touchpad, touch screen, etc. are example of input devices. And second definition of input devices is the devices which we use to enter data in our computer system is known as input devices. Now we are going to discuss about types of input devices. First one is keyboard. A keyboard is a combination of keys. These keys in the form of alphabets, numeric, function keys, special keys, and by using these keys we can enter data in our computer system. And most common input device used nowadays are mouse. By using mouse we can perform different functions like select a text, object, picture and file or folder, etc. And it also contains 2 buttons and 1 scroll bar. By using these buttons we can perform specific tasks or functions on the computer screen, and by using the scroll bar we can control the movement of page from top to bottom and left to right. When we click left button we can select a picture, a folder, file and we can open it. And when we click right button, a list of options appear and it contains cut, copy, paste, and by using right button we can perform different functions related to the file. Next one is joystick. Joystick contains a stick at the top of the joy, and this is used in computer for playing games. It is also known as pointing device. By using stick we can rotate our page in any direction, our object in any direction, and we can control the movement of object on computer screen by controlling the movement of stick. Next one is trackball. Trackball look like a mouse, but it contains a ball at the top of the trackball, and we can control the movement of cursor by controlling the rotation of the ball. Next input device is touch screen. Touch screen is an attractive thing for the users nowadays, and user can perform different tasks and open the application on computer screen or mobile phones by a single touch. It is an attractive thing for the users. Now most common use touch devices are mobile phones and ATMs. Next one is touchpad. Touchpad working is similar to a mouse. It contains 2 buttons, and this pad is work similar to scroll bar. We can control the movement of cursor by controlling the movement of pad, and by using left button we can open a file or select it, and by using the right side we can see the information of the related application. Next one input device is microphone. By using microphone we can enter our voice into the computer system. Next one is scanner. Scanner is used to scan the text, graphics, picture, etc. And when we scan a text or picture, we can store it into your computer for later use. There are 2 more types of scanner: flatbed scanner and handheld scanner. It is also an input device. Next one is barcode reader. Barcode reader is a device which is used to read the barcodes that are present on the products, and these lines are present in vertical form and contain some special numbers. Only barcode reader can read these lines. Next one is light pen. Light pen is also an pointing device, and it is connected to the monitor by using a wire. Light pen is used to draw a picture image on the computer screen. It is similar to a pen, that's why it is known as light pen device. When we create an image by using light pen, it emits light on the computer screen. Next topic is processing devices. Processing devices are the devices which we use to process data in our computer system, and CPU is also known as processing unit of the computer. By using CPU, we can perform calculation and different function on the computer. CPU is also known as brain of the computer. CPU has 3 parts: ALU, CU, MU. ALU stands for arithmetic and logical units. Arithmetic means mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and LU stands for logical units like less than, greater than, equal, not equal. Next one is CU. CU stands for control unit. It is used to control the functionality or activities of the computer. It tells other part of computer what to do and how to do. Next one is MU. MU stands for memory unit. Memory unit is used to store data and information on the computer temporarily. Next one is output devices. Output is anything display on the computer screen, and the devices which we use to display results on the computer screen are known as output devices, like monitor, LCD, printer, speaker, etc. are examples of output devices. First we discuss about monitor. Monitor is most commonly used output devices. It is used to display text, graphics, videos, movies, pictures, etc. And the types of monitor and are LCD and plasma monitors. Next one is printer. Printer provide information on the paper. When we print a paper, it also known as hard copy, and the copy display on computer screen is known as soft copy, and the copy present in the form of paper is known as hard copy. Next is speaker. Speaker is a type of output devices. It is used to hear sounds from the computer. Next one is storage devices. Storage devices are the devices which we use to store information, data in our computer system. Some storage devices used nowadays are hard disk, compact disk, pen drive, USB, etc. First we discuss about hard disk. Hard disk is used to store data in the computer system, and hard disk is present inside the CPU box. Next one is compact disk. Compact disks store large amount of data. It is a portable device. Portable means a thing that can be easily transported from one place to another place. It is also known as CD. Next one is pen drive. Pen drive is similar to a USB, and we can store large amount of data in USB for later use. It is a fastest way to store the data, and we can use this data at any time and at any place. These are the questions related to our first lecture. Question number 1. What are the basic rules of computer? Answer: input, process, output. Question number 2. What are input devices? Answer: the devices that are used to enter data and instructions into a computer are called the input devices. Question number 3. What is the most commonly used input device? Keyboard is the most commonly used input device. Types of keys: it has number keys, special keys, alphabet keys, and function keys, etc. What is the use of mouse? Answer: mouse is a pointing device used to select objects or text and to draw picture on the computer. Question number 5. What do you know about the joystick? The joystick is a pointing device. It is mainly used to play games on a computer. Question number 6. What is the function of touch screen? Touch screen allows the user to enter input by simply touching the display screen. Question number 7. In which device touchpad is present? A touchpad is commonly used in laptops. Question number 8. What is the use of microphone? Answer: a microphone is used to input and record voice into the computer. Question number 9. Define scanner. Write the types of scanner. Answer: scanner is an input device which reads and scans the text and picture. There are two types of scanners: flatbed scanners and handheld scanners. Question number 10. What is the use of light pen? A light pen is a pen-shaped pointing device. Light pens are used to draw picture on the screen. Question number 11. What is the main purpose of CPU? Answer: the CPU does calculations and carries out many other functions. It is also known as brain of the computer. It has three main parts: ALU, CU, and MU. Question number 12. What are the output devices? Answer. The output devices show the result of work done by the computer. Question number 13. Define monitor. Monitor is the most commonly used output device. It displays both text and pictures. Question number 14. What is the use of printer? Answer. A printer provides information on the paper that we introduced. The printed copy of the output from the printer is also known as hard copy. Question number 15. What is speaker? Answer. Speakers allow you to hear sounds from the computer. Question number 16. What is storage devices? Answer. The devices which we use to store data and information in our computer are called storage devices. Students, this is exercise of chapter number 3. Students will highlight these key terms and learn them. First key term is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. ALU. ALU stands for Arithmetic and Logic Unit. CU stands for Control Unit. MU stands for Memory Unit. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. And CD stands for Compact Disc. Students, this is exercise. And students, solve this exercise on your behalf. Otherwise, tally your exercise with this solved exercise. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. Question number D. Tick correct and cross the wrong ones. Question number E. Match the following. Question number C. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Write the names of any two. Part 1 is input devices, light pen and scanner. Part 2, output devices, monitor and printer. Part 3, storage devices, pen drive and CD. Question number 2. Write down the name of different parts of CPU. Answer. CPU has 3 parts: ALU, MU, CU. ALU stands for Arithmetic and Logical Unit. MU stands for Memory Unit. CU stands for Control Unit. Question number 3. Name any 2 types of monitor used nowadays. Answer. LCD monitor, plasma monitor. Question number 4. What is a scanner? Also name the 2 types of scanner. Answer. Scanner is an input device which reads and scans the text and pictures. Types of scanners are flatbed and handheld scanner. Question number 5. What is a light pen? Answer. A light pen is a pen-shaped device. It is used to draw pictures on the screen. Thanks.